Hello, and a very warm welcome to all of you who are passionate about understanding the complex world of biology. I am Dr. Deepak Kukkar, and I'm thrilled to introduce you our brand new YouTube channel, Bioenigma Uncovered, where we will dive deep into various domains of biology, ranging from the tiniest world of microorganisms to the complex world of algorithms in the data sciences. I am joined by my three PhD students who happen to be as enthusiastic and as passionate about learning the biology as much as I am. As far as my role is concerned, I will be taking on lectures related to biochemistry and analytical techniques, where I will be guiding you to understand structure and the functions of various biomolecules such as DNA, RNA, amino acids, proteins, and so on. In addition, I'll be teaching you about the various analytical techniques such as electron microscopy, chromatography, and many more. I'm also joined by my PhD student, Miss Monika Chhillar. She is a student who's passionate about the learning the world of microbes, which are very pivotal to not only maintaining our life but also help in remediating our environment. Miss Purnima will be taking classes on molecular biology and she will be covering various topics such as DNA replication, transcription, translation, and so on. While Ms. Chahat is a bioinformatics whiz and she will be covering the complex intersection of molecular algorithms, data sciences, and the world of biology. Biology is a world full of mysteries, so it is very much necessary to solve these enigmas or mysteries together. So, if you are a passionate student or a professional or simply a curious mind, this channel, Bioenigma Uncovered, will help you in understanding the complexities of life. Overall, we will be taking on 5 lectures every week on a consistent basis. If you are an enthusiast about biology, hit the subscribe button and we can't wait to learn and grow with you. Stay curious and let's unveil the secrets of life together. Thank you so much.